So today is a very important day for tourism, as today marks the International Coastal Cleanup Day. And I can tell you that there have been a lot of improvements. We have walked along the beach, and since KWS said that there is no plastic bottles going into the boat, into the sea when people are going for excursion, things have really changed.
Kwa majina naitwa Pili Kazo, ni mkazi wa Malindi. Natoka katika group ya wamama inaitwa Baharini Women Group, ambao shughuli zake zinafanya kazi katika fuo za bahari ya Malindi. Siku hii ya leo ya Uswafi International Cleanup Day ina manufaa sana kwetu, hasa kwa upande wa ufuo za bahari. Manake tunahakikisha fuo zetu za bahari zikiwa swafi, ndio tunapata watalii kwa wingi.
Okay, now you've heard that under the leadership of Governor Mungaro, that they're going to effect or enforce laws, the enforcement of the Solid Management Act and also the Sustainable Management Solid Waste Management Act. That means that you will be arrested, and if you're arrested, fined, or I don't know what the sentence will be. But it shouldn't get to that. I mean, for you, this law it's been amended and modernized to basically streamline or go hand in hand with the rest of the world, where we are going into the climate actions that we are doing.
As you understand, this is one of the attractive areas in our country. So we know we have quite a number of organisms living in the marine body, whereby it's us as our duty to make sure that ourselves we are living in a clean environment, and also the marine creatures as well live in a clear environment, so that at least we can have a conducive atmosphere.